algebraic factoring number 11. What is this kind of factoring? Factoring of factoring or decomposition factoring of algebraic expressions factoring of algebraic expressions of which factoring of algebraic expressions of which one of the factors is known. To find another factor we divide the principal expression into given factor. For ease of operation, for ease of operation. For ease of operation, we use compound or synthetic division. Factoring of algebraic expressions of which one of the factors is known. To find another factor, we divide the principal expression into given factor. For ease of operation, we use compound or synthetic division. Now, I'll send for you an example of this kind of factoring. Example, factor x to the power of 3 plus 5 ax to the power of 2 or ax square plus 2 a to the power of 2 a to the power of 2x minus 8 a to the power of 3 if one of the factors the factors be x plus 2a x plus 2a. Now for easiness of the operation, we can divide this one like the division of polynomials by monomials that we know from the previous lessons, or we can use the synthetic division. What we do, we write the coefficient of the variable. What is the variable here? The variable is x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2, x there, and here is also x, but x to the power of 0. So what is now we write a line here like this, and we draw a line here, and we write the coefficient of the first one is 1 and the other one is 5 plus or positive 5a and positive 2a to the power of 2 and negative 8a to the power of 3. Now we draw a line here And we write the second part of this binomial with a negative, with the opposite sign. The sign of this is positive. We write here with a negative, negative 2a. Negative 2a. Now what we do, first of all, we bring down or carry down this one here. Then what we do, we multiply this one with this. 1 times minus 2a is minus 2a. Minus 2a. Now we add these two algebraically. Positive 5a and negative 2a is 3a. Or positive 3a. The number that don't have the sign, that also is for positive. Now positive times negative is negative. 2 times 3 is 6. A to the power of 1 and 1, 2. Now we have this one is minus 4 a to the power of 2. Now negative times negative is positive. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 8 to the power of 2 is 8 to the power of 3. And this is positive and negative is 0, nothing. So now we know the power of this is 1 and this is 3, so this should be the 3 minus 2 is 1. One of the factor is x plus 2a. We know that. X plus 2a. And the second factor is coefficient times variable. The first variable is the power of 2 because 3 minus 1 is 2. So x to the power 1 times x to the power of 2 plus 3ax minus 4 a square x to the power of 0 means 1. Now we can factor this one into two factors like this one. We write this x to x plus 2a and we find a number that their sum should be 3 and their multiplying be minus 4. That is x plus 4a and we know this one from the previous lessons, x minus a or 1a. Now positive 4 and negative 4 is positive 3. Positive times negative is negative. 4a times 1a is 4a to the power of 2. Now the factoring of this one is factors and the three factors. This x plus 2 positive 2a, x plus 4a and x minus a. Okay. Now I solve for you another example. If one of the factors factor of 2a to the power of 3 plus 9a to the power of 2 minus 8a minus 15 if one of the factors of 2a to the power of 3 plus 9a to the power of 2 plus minus 8a minus 15b x plus a plus 5 find the other factors. One of the factors a plus 5, find the other factors. Now for this one also we can write the coefficient. Here the variable is a to the power of 3, a to the power of 2, a to the power of 1 is variables, and here and the coefficient is this one too. Now what we do, we draw a line here like this one, and we write the second term of the binomial with the negative, with the opposite sign. This is positive, we write it negative 5. Now what is the coefficient? There is 2, 9, minus 8 and minus 15. Minus 8 and minus 15, and we draw here a line like this. First we carry down the 2, the first one 2. Now what we do, we multiply this one with this, positive times negative is negative, 2 times 5 is 10. Now we add this one algebraically, minus 10 and plus 1 is minus 1. Now we multiply minus 1 times minus times negative is positive. 1 times 5 is 5. Now there is minus 3. Negative times negative is positive, and 3 times 5, 15. Now negative 15 and positive 15, 0. Now we can write this one as a 2 factor. One factor is a plus 5. A plus 5, because this is a to the power of 1 and there is to the power of 2, 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the first one is power is 2a to the power of 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 3 minus a and minus 3. Now what we do, we can factor this one as a 2 factor. We write it like this, is equal to a plus 5 times, and write 2a to the power of 2 minus 3a. Because this is minus 3a, it should be minus 1a, so we can write this one plus 2a. It means that we didn't do anything because minus 3 and plus 2 is minus 1 and minus 3. We can take this 2 and this 2, for this 2 is equal to a plus 5, a plus 5, and here is a is common. We can write 2, a is e to the power of 2 minus 1 a minus 3, and here just the only thing is common is 1. 1 times 2a, 2a, and 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. Now this is equal to a plus 5 times, in these two terms the common factor is 2a minus 3, 2a minus 3, and here what is remaining here? A, and here plus 1. A plus 1. So finally, this one expressions 2a to the power of 3 plus 9a to the power of 2 minus 8a minus 15. Now factors into 3 factors of a plus 5 and into a minus 3 and a plus 1. I think it is enough for this lesson. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends, and please press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a wonderful and great days and nights. Bye bye.